She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is definitely going to be quick and definitely going to be easy. There's only actually 4 ingredients to this recipe. It's going to be great if you're feeling lucky for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to go ahead and whip up some cute little pots of gold. So these are only going to be a 4 ingredient snack that is easy, cute, and enjoyable to eat. So if you guys are ready for the recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a brand new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are adorable, looking just like the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. This is for a special occasion if you're feeling lucky, like I said, or just for a St. Patty's Day party. Definitely go ahead and give these a try. And also, if you can, if you did enjoy the video, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of each and every new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching.